Have you just recently bought a life insurance policy or are thinking about buying a life insurance policy and are wondering what does it actually cover? Well, my name's Stephen Sinclair from Dundas Life, and today I'm going to talk about what does your life insurance policy cover, and maybe more importantly, what doesn't it actually cover. Now, if you like our videos, like our content, smash that like button and hit subscribe as well for more videos and more information about life insurance. Now, let's dive into what does life insurance actually cover and what doesn't it cover. In the simplistic terms, life insurance will cover you typically for any natural or accidental cause of death. You get a lot of people asking around the natural side about COVID, for example. Does it cover if I pass away from COVID, if I'm vaccinated or not? In Canada, it doesn't really make a difference. This is kind of like passing away from the flu or any other illness. Now, when it comes to things that life insurance may not cover, life insurance companies do not want to cover a person who is committing a crime when they pass. So for example, if you are drinking and driving and you hit somebody on your way home and you pass away in that accident, life insurance company is not going to cover you because you were breaking the law at that time. However, on the flip side, if you were the one who was sober driving home and you get hit by a drunk driver, you're not breaking the law, you were hit by that person, so the life insurance company is going to cover you at that time. Now, another instance of where life insurance companies may not want to cover you is active war or terrorism. Right now, we have a lot going on in the world, and if you're fighting in a war as a soldier, life insurance companies are typically not going to offer you the coverage either. Typically, our troops will have their own sort of coverage for themselves. Now, another instance where you may not be covered is you will see a 2-year suicide exclusion clause on your policy. In the first 2 years, if a person commits suicide, the life insurance company is not going to cover them as well, and they reserve the right to actually do an investigation in the first couple years of your policy. Now, if you commit suicide after that time, they may still cover you. However, they will still probably do an investigation, and it's going to take longer for your family to get that claim. Lastly, when it comes to not being covered, you might have an exclusion on your policy. And this is something that would have been brought up as you were purchasing the policy or going through the underwriting. And this could be due to a health issue or maybe a higher risk activity. For example, if you like to mountaineer or go mountain climbing like myself, there may be an exclusion that if you pass away while you're doing any of those mountaineering activities, that you won't be covered during that time frame. But outside of that, you'd be covered through your life insurance policy. So hopefully that gives you some ideas and instances as to when you're covered and when you're not covered. And again, if you like our videos, come back to the channel and hit that like and subscribe button. Have a great day.